Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. I just got a box from Santa Claus in the mail. I'm so excited about this, and it says do not open till Christmas. But I've been nice all year, so I figure I could be a little bit naughty and open my box early. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm super excited about this one. This is gonna be awesome. So we're going to open the box now, and it's very jingly. Santa, what have you done? Okay. One side says fragile.
No, that's Italian. It says fragile.
Fragile, excuse me. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, what's this? Okay. Oh, it's a letter from the desk of Santa Claus. Okay, it says, "Hello, Mina. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas and happy holidays."
This is Santa here in the North Pole. Santa knows that you have been good this year.
I have been watching your YouTube channel with Miss Claus. Even the elves join in too sometimes, and we love it.
I have especially noticed all the amazing art you've been producing, and so we wanted to offer up a special challenge.
Uh-oh. A challenge from Santa Claus. Okay. Mrs. Claus and I would like you to use the following colors: metallic sky blue and bright aqua and green yellow. Woo! And you can pick up to 2 of your own to create something extra joyful for all your viewers.
We have also included an extra special little something for you to use as inspiration. We can't wait to see what you do with it, and we will be watching on December 13th to see for ourselves.
Be safe and have fun. Love, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Ooh, there's a big bow. Okay, you got it? And open. Okay. Look at all these little feet. Oh my. Oh my. And now we know why it was jingly. It's okay. I actually love these bells. My girls love the bells too. Oh my. Oh my goodness, it's a hat box! I love hat boxes. I have several of them. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's move this out of the way. I love the bells. Thank you, Santa. Okay, get that out of the way, and then we'll open this up. All right. This is so pretty. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, I'm thrilled. I love this ribbon. Let's see what Santa has sent. Awesome. Okay. Merry Christmas. I love the box. Here you go. Oh, I got glitter bombed. Oh boy. The elf made me eat it. Very cute. Okay, we're just going to take all of this glitter and put it on there for now. Because otherwise it's going to go everywhere, Santa.
I think that was the idea.
Yes, I know it was the idea. This is interesting. Oh. It is a hat. Okay, so I don't know if you guys ever use a Facebook Messenger, but one of the little faces that you can put on is this hat with these. And I actually like the hat a lot. So I do this particularly when talking to Sarah Mack. This is amazing. Okay, I like the hat. I'm going to leave the hat on. And let's see what else is in here. Other than 10,000 pounds of glitter and confetti. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's a giant colander full of glitter.
I think Santa was inspired by Mark Rober.
Wait, no, there's more. Hold on. So there's a little box. And there's something else. And there's something else. Wow. Santa, I've never gotten a box with quite so much glitter in it before. We'll see about those cookies I'm making you this year. Ooh, there's paint. Yay! Let's see. And there's something else in there too. Okay. Oh, nope, there's something else. There's the paint. Ooh, I like this color. Bright green, yellow, brilliant yellow green. Okay. See? And there's something else in here. Okay. Just want to make sure I got everything out of here. Okay, that's good. So we'll leave the colander. And we'll take this and put that in there. Okay. All right. Let's see. What should we open first? Let's open this first. Fine snow in the jar. Wow. That must be what this stuff is. That's cool. Okay. Well, let's see what else is in here. Okay, I'm going to take this off for just a minute. I can't see what I'm doing, but I love that hat. Okay. Opal glitter, medium. Ooh. Interesting. Very interesting indeed. And ooh, folk art trusted quality metallic ice blue. Very pretty. 2 bottles of that. Thank you, Santa Claus, because you know I don't like to only mix up 2 ounces of paint. Awesome, awesome. Very cool. Okay, so these are my colors that I've received. Is bright aqua green, brilliant yellow green, and this beautiful metallic ice blue. That's going to be very interesting. Let's see. There's things in here too. This is the inspiration gift, I guess. Yo! These go on your wrists, don't they? I think it does. There we go. Maybe my daughter's wrist. Oh, and there's another one. Yay! I have a feeling my kids are going to steal these really fast. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, and I love these little tins with the plaid on there and the red and the white. So my brain is churning right now. And the elf made me do it hand towel. That's awesome. Okay. Wow. Well, thank you very much, Santa. This is definitely going to be a challenge, a fun one. I'm looking forward to this. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will see you when we put all this together. Oh, wait, I want to put the hat up. One more time.